Okay, so in this video, we are going to deal with the practice sums in the student book and the explanation for the answers. Okay, so first you try to do it yourself and then you see the explanation. So this one is, which page is this? Page number, let me see, it's page number 231. Okay, it is a practice sum. The first portion is very easy for you, just to find the area and perimeter, area. So in this figure, what figure is this? We know it's a rectangle, is it? Because the length is different, width is different. So what is area? It is length times width. So it is 4 times 3, is it? What is 4 times 3? It is 12. Here the unit is given. Normally the unit will not be given. You need to write. It is in meters, so we need to write meter square. So coming to the next question. What figure is that? Again, area or rectangle? You know what's it? Both are different, so it's a rectangle. So area, write the equation. Whenever you write the equations, it will be thorough for you. So practice it. For exam also, you need to write the equations. So it is length times width, that is 6 times 4. What is 6 times 4? It is 24 centimeters square. Same way you do the next one also. It's a square. That means, if you want, you can write length times width, no problem. But the correct equation is side multiply side, or side times side. So 8 multiply 8, that is 64 meters square. So you do this. You listen to this video. After that you close this video and you do it yourself. Okay. Then you check the answers. Then we can go and find the area of compound shapes. See, a compound shape is given here in the next page, and in this also you need to first examine the figure carefully. How you can divide it like this. If you want, you can divide like this, is it? So this becomes 1, this becomes 1. Like this you can divide, or in some cases you can just divide it like this. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to see if I divide it like this, whether is it easy to find the unknown side or unknown length somewhere. Okay, need to check that. So here we are going to divide it like this and this. There is no rule like you should divide like this. It is up to you. You need to examine the values given and you need to see that. Okay, see, we have divided the shape like this, the blue, the red and the green, and we need to find the measurements from this. First you try to do it yourself. After that I will give you the explanation for the answer in another slide. First you try to do it yourself. See what is given here. 1 centimeter is then 1 centimeter is here. So if you divide like this, it is a square. And what is the measurement? 1 multiply 1, is it? Then coming to this, we can divide it as a rectangle. So what is given? This is 4, this is 1, and this one means the same like this. So these two will be same. So the next one, what will be the length? It is 4 plus 1 plus 1, is it? So 4, 5, 6. And what about the width? It is already given. I think 3 centimeter, right? I cannot see properly here. Okay. So that also length times width you can do. Then this one also we are dividing it as a square and length is given. This is 5 centimeter minus 3 centimeter. So what about this? So see the measurements in your textbook and just try to do it yourself. Okay. After that you just go through the explanation given for the answers. Okay. Then next page 233. 32, yeah, 33. So page number 233 also some compound shapes are given. You need to split the shapes by checking the measurements given. Here 7 centimeter given. So if I split like this, is it possible for me to get the length and width? 7 is here, 3 is here. So if you are getting the measurements, you can divide it like that, or else you can just divide it like that, like this. So you need to check. Whichever is convenient for you to get the measurements, you do like that. Okay. So try first. Try to find the area. Again, see another figure is given here. This one, how I can divide. If I divide like this, is it possible for me to get the length and width? If I want to divide like this, or like this, it is up to you. You need to examine the shape properly first. Okay. So in the next slide, I will explain you how we can find the answers for this. Okay. So the practice sums related to this topic is student book, page 222, 231, 232 and 233. This is estimation by counting and the compound shapes and normal shapes area. Okay. So you try to do this first, and after doing you please check the answers or the methods. I am not discussing all the questions. Randomly I am picking few and explaining for you. If you have any doubts, please contact me over WhatsApp. You clear your doubts. I'm available for you anytime. So you can just contact me over WhatsApp. Okay. Please clear your doubts. I'm not saying you to study or do it here today itself. Nothing like that. You take your own time. You have enough time. So take your own time and please do it. Okay. So we can go to the explanation in the student book. So first we are going to discuss about the answer in page for the question in page number 232. So a shape is here. So now I am going to divide it like this. This is my method. Okay. If you are finding some other method, no problem. You can find like that. No problem at all. Okay. The answer should be correct. That's all. So I am dividing like this and this. I am dividing the shape into 3. So here if I divide like this, I know this is A, B and C. So this one, I know the length and width. So no problem. I can find the area. And this one, this shape, I am dividing like this. So this is a long rectangle. So the length is what? 4 plus 3 plus 2. Is it? From here till here means from here, then here till here, then here till here. That means I just need to add these 3. And here it is not given, but it is given here. So these 2 will be same. Is it? So I will add this 3 first. Then length is given and width also it is there. Coming to this third one. What is it? We know here it is 3, here it is 5 and here it is 3. So from here till here it is 5. So what I should do to get this? From the total I need to subtract this much. So 5 minus 3 it is 2. So here also 2 and 3. These 2 are same. The area of these 2 rectangles will be same. Is it? 3 and 2. Here also 3 and 2. And this one will be different. So we are going to divide. Here also the figure is given. You can divide like this. See, break up the shape into simpler shapes. You are getting like this. So now we know all the measurements. Here 3 and 2. Here 4 plus 3 plus 3. Is it? I have shown you. So it is 10 centimeter and here also the width is known for you. It is 3 centimeter. Here this much. It's not, the total was 5. So this one is how much? It is 5 minus 3, that is 2 centimeter. 3 and 2. So 3 rectangles are there and we know the measurements for all the rectangles now. So what is the area? See, blue rectangle. We know that blue is 3 times 2, that is 6 centimeter square. Red rectangle is 10 times 3, that is equal to 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter, and green rectangle green is 3 times 2, that is equal to 6 centimeter. So what is the total area? Total area equal to 6 plus 30 plus 6. Is it? Because we know all the areas now, all the measurements. So we just need to add all the areas. So it is equal to 42 centimeter square, because it is given in centimeter everywhere. When it comes to area, it will be always square. Okay. So after doing, you please check your answers. Is it clear? If you have any doubts, please clear with me. Okay. Coming to the next page, that is 233. We are finding the area of the compound shapes. We need to divide it. You need to split the shapes and you need to do. I'm explaining the second question for you. So it's up to you. I have divided like this because it is easily. So the measurements are, I will get the measurements easily. If I divide like this, it is little more difficult. So just it's up to you. So I divided A like this and B like this and C like this. So for A, what is the length? It is given to you. There is nothing, no confusions at all. So A, the length is 12 centimeter and what is the width? It is 3 centimeter. Is it? So area of A, length is 12 centimeter, width is 3 centimeter. So what is area? Area is 12 times 3, that is 36 centimeters square. This is my way of split. Okay. I have divided like this, but it is up to you. If you are getting the measurements in some other ways, you can do it. No problem. I just need to find the area of the total shape or total figure. Okay. Then coming to B, what is the length? Length is this. We know this much is 8 and this much is 2. So what will be this area? This length. It will be from 8. I need to subtract 2. What is 8 minus 2? It is 6 centimeter. So the length is 6 centimeter. And what about the width? I know the total width is 12 centimeter. And here it is given 4 centimeter and here it is given 4 centimeter and here it is given 1 centimeter. So only unknown is this. So what should I do? From 12 I need to subtract 4, then 4 and 1. That is 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. So 12 minus 9 is what? It is 3 centimeter, is it? So what is the area of B? This B is 6 times 3. What is 6 times 3? It is 18 centimeter. So I am getting A and B. Then coming to C. C is this shape, is it? Last one is C. So what is the length? It is already given 8. Nothing to find. Then what is width? It is 4. So what is 8 times 4? It is equal to 32. So what is the area? 32 centimeter square. So what is the total area? Total area means area of A plus area of B plus area of C. That is 36 centimeter square plus 18 centimeter square plus 32 centimeter square. It is equal to 86 centimeter square. Is it clear? Yeah, this is how we will find the area of the compound shapes. By this, we are finishing this year's topic. All the chapters are finished now. So even if I am not giving you homework in the workbooks, if you are getting time, you can just go through the workbook and you can do all the sums. Only few sums are not explained. Few methods are different. If you are getting confused, please contact me. Okay. So hope everyone is doing fine during your vacation also. All of you be in touch with the topics. All of you take care of yourself. So Ramadan Kareem to all. All of you stay safe at home. Thank you so much. Okay.